Free Transform tool. By using this tool, we can do free rotation, free angle rotation, free scale, and free skew to your object. Let's see how we can use this tool in our work. Here I'm going to use a star as my object. On a drawing area, now click on each of the options one by one. Let's start with Free Rotation tool. Just choose the Free Rotation tool option from the property bar and click the object which we have put on the drawing area. Drag your mouse and rotate object as per your wish. Free Angle Reflection tool. Choose the Free Angle Reflection tool option from the property bar. Now, take your mouse on the object and drag it to get a reflected object. Free Scale tool. Again, choose the option Free Scale tool and click on the object. Drag the mouse and release the mouse after getting your required object size. Free Skew tool. Again, repeat the same procedure. Drag your mouse over the object and see the object is skewed now. All these tools have some common properties like object position, object size, scale factor, mirror, rotation, center rotation position, and skew angles. Apply to duplicate. This option will create duplicates of original object and apply all the transformation to the duplicate objects, irrespective of the original one and relative to objects. Thus now, with a single tool, we can easily perform different transformations. Interactive Envelope tool. Interactive Envelope tool contains multiple nodes which we move to manipulate or distort objects. Keyboard shortcut for this tool is Ctrl plus F7. Let's see how it works. For this, let's draw a star object on the page. Now, choose the Interactive Envelope tool from Toolbox. As you can easily see, a dotted box is appeared around the object with 8 nodes. This is the envelope. Now we will manipulate its node in order to change or modify the object's shape. Just choose any of the nodes and pull or push it in any direction. Note the shape of the object is also changing accordingly. There are 4 modes by using you can change shape of the envelope and more specifically. They are Envelope Straight Line mode. Here, just pull the node, the straight line is coming to a point like this. Envelope Single Arc mode. Here, as you pull the node, you can easily see that the line is changing to a curve or arc, like this. Envelope Double Arc mode. Here the line is having double arc or curves like this. Envelope Unconstrained mode. This is more similar to double arc, but here we can control the curve by using handles. Now let's see some of the properties of envelope tools. Presets helps us in choosing required shape from the predefined list. Add or delete to preset helps in adding or deleting the modified envelope shape to the preset list. You can choose selection as rectangular or freehand from selection mode option. You can add or delete nodes. Just choose any of the node and click Add or Delete Nodes icon from property bar, or you can double-click where you want to add the new mode. Convert to curve. This option will help you to change your object using Shape tool. As we discussed, by default the envelope shape is rectangular, but we can make our own shape for the envelope. To do this, go to Toolbox and select Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle like this. Now again, go to Toolbox and select Ellipse tool and draw ellipse so that it touches both the corners of the rectangle, like this. Press plus from the numeric pad. This will give one more exact copy of ellipse. Now, move that ellipse down and try to fix that too to the corners like this. Now go to Toolbox and select Smart Fill tool and fill the middle portion alone. Select all other portions with Pick tool and delete them. Remove the fill color by clicking the cross, which is on the top of the color palette. Give stroke color by holding the Alt key and dragging color to the shape. Go to Toolbox and select Text tool and type your text and select Proper Font and Size. Now go to Windows menu and select Dockers, and from there click on Envelope. Select the text and from Envelope Docker select Select From option and click on the stroke of the shape, which we have made earlier. As you click on the shape, your text will be surrounded with the same shape. Just click Apply. Wow! Your text has completely occupied the shape. Thus, Interactive Envelope tool helps you to move shape to the envelope and, as a result, change the shape of the object, giving depth or 3D effect for your object.